Hey guys, today I'm going to show you latest token sniping tool that allows you to scan the market, detect rugs, detect scams, and only buys the tokens with a high chance of profitability. Today I'm talking about a tool called Solana Sniper. So as usual, first we're going to talk about all the different features, how it all works, and later I will show you how to set up this bot because there's multiple different settings, and I will show you one example of running this bot and buying tokens. So Solana Sniper, the Solana Sniper reinvented, and they have really simple explanation what this bot does. It's an automated solution that monitors decentralized exchanges for new token listings, and the moment the new token gets listed, the bot attempts to purchase it on your behalf. And again, what's really important about buying and sniping tokens early, it's really good scam detection, because lately we have so many different rugs, scams, and really shady launches. That's why it's really important to have tools with the best detection of rugs and scams. And from my personal experience so far, using Solana Sniper, it was the best on detecting really bad projects and only purchasing the legit tokens. And of course, this gives you higher chance for profits. So first of all, we have two different packages. If you want to try out this platform, we have free package. So actually, if you want to test it out, it's more than enough. But if you want to take it serious, if you like the platform, you can actually start using premium plan. This will add additional safety feature. So if you plan to trade bigger amounts, of course, I recommend you to use premium plan. But if you just want to test out how these bots work, of course, free plan will be enough. And before we dive into actual dashboard and setup, first thing, what I do when I find a new bot, new platform, I jump into their Discord on Telegram to see what kind of results the community is getting. And actually, if you jump into their Discord, also the link in description, let's jump in there. So now let's jump into the Sniper. So let's launch a Sniper. For this example, I will start with a blank page, basically what you would get if you would start using this bot. So the first thing, we have to add funds to our wallet, basically like with any other bot. So you can see your wallet right here. You can copy this address and send, for example, 0.2 Solana, or you can actually copy the private key and actually connect this to your Phantom wallet. For this example, I would pick an easy way, just copy the wallet and add 0.2 Solana. So let's do it now. Next up, before the bot can snipe the tokens, we have to wrap our Solana. And there's two ways to do it. You can do it yourself, or you can actually ask the platform to do it. And by the way, we have full tutorial here. And if you have any questions about the bot, they have all the tutorials right here in the documents. You can also find the link in the description, but the link also is right here. We also have really great tutorials. So if you have any questions after watching my video, you can ask me in the comments, or you can actually check out their full tutorial and all documentation where they have all the answers, all the tutorials explaining you why and how. Again, really great for the beginner user. So let's jump in back to the platform. So for this example, let's again pick an easy way and let's click wrap 0.1 Solana because this will automatically wrap it for us. Okay, our bot is finished with wrapping our Solana. Now we can actually start running our bot. So first thing, let's set up our buy and sell settings, which are really simple. So first of all, you have to set up how much do you want to buy. So yeah, really self-explanatory. Next up, we have priority fee. Let's put it at 0.2 because I like to put it a bit higher than default because then you're faster than all the default users. Next up, we have slippage. So let's put it higher, I think 40%, because right now the meme market is not as hot. So you're not competing against other bots that much. So 40% I think is enough. Next up, take profit. So basically, at what amount do you want to take profit? I think 40%. Let's go for this example, maybe less because I don't want to really run this bot for long. I want to show the easiest way to do it. Next up, we have stop loss. I explained it so many times. Basically, at what percentage at loss will you sell your position? Basically, you don't want to lose your full position if the trade goes wrong. So I think 20% is more than enough. Next up, we have slippage. Let's put it again at 40. You can put it at whatever you want. It's just an example how I personally use it right now. At any time, it could change depending on the market, on the meme coins. There's many different factors. Next up, we have timeout. So basically, if the prices are not triggered, after what time do you want to close your position? I think 60 seconds is enough if we're talking about the short-term sniping. If you really want to reach any of these targets, you can, of course, go longer. But for this example, let's go 60 seconds. And the priority fee, again, let's do 0.2. I would actually probably keep it at default because we're buying really small amount, but let's do it just for example. Next up, trailing stop loss. You can trigger it. Basically, if the price goes really high quick, actually the stop loss will also continue to go up with the price. I think it's a cool feature, so why not use it? Next up, if you have a premium plan, you can jump into safety features, which I think are really important. Again, if you're using it more serious, definitely buy the premium plan. It's only $99 and you're getting so many different additional features. And of course, safety is really important because this will really increase your chances of making higher profits. So first of all, top 10 holders. So you can again select how much percentage. So let's keep it at default. Next up, bundled max. Let's go 20%. So you can see I kept it almost on default. The only thing I like to check is only graduated from pump.fun because this basically marks of lots of safety features. So now we are ready to run our bot and we can click run bot. You can see bot started sniping pump.fun migration from pump swap according to your settings. And you can see the time I started the bot. So now let's wait for the results and see what this token buys. You can also see the transactions. And what's also really important about this bot, it actually scans for the scams, rugs, and all these different projects with a shady ideas, which is again really important because you don't want to start sniping some scam tokens because this is basically what they want you to do. So let's see how it goes. And finally, after some time, we have our first result. So you can see right here on the left, the logs. And you can see so far the bot did 2 trades, bought and sold. So let's go to transactions. You can see we bought 2 tokens. And right here on the right, you can actually check out when it bought and when it sold and what token. So let's click the screener logo. This will open the chart. So we bought Grok coin. You can see we bought right here, right at the start. Again, this is a Sniper Bot and we sold not that long after. So we bought for $1.53 and we sold for $1.60. Yeah, it's not a big profit, but we are not placing big trades for this demo video. But again, if you place bigger trades, you'll make more profit or of course losses because I cannot guarantee that every time I'm going to be winning, but you can see we bought right at the start and we sold right here for a small profit. So far you can see this bot is working pretty good. Again, this is not financial advice. Anything can happen, but so far it's actually doing a good job. Sometimes, of course, you can buy some bad tokens, but you can see so far the bot did 2 trades and both of them were profitable. Also can play with settings. I actually changed up some settings and made them less secure because I want to make this video faster because sometimes if it's a slow day, for example, today is almost weekend, there's not that many meme coins. It could take a while for a bot to find actually profitable tokens. So depending on your settings, on your safety settings, the bot will look for the projects and only execute trades if it thinks it could be profitable. But again, guys, you can see it's really simple settings, simple safety settings. And in my opinion, $99 is not a lot for this bot. But again, if you want to try it for free, they also have a free tier. And by the way, before filming this video, I had some questions for the team of the Sol Sniper and they offered special deal for my viewers. So if you sign up using my link, then just jump into their Discord and mention that you found this bot using my video and they will give you 0.1 Solana. So why not take free money and also make some additional money using Sol Sniper. So thanks for watching, links in the description, and don't forget to subscribe for more tools, meme coins, altcoins, and overall crypto talk. See you next time.